Away they go. Remus, Doña Nene. Charlie's World, Danori Inside is Primavera. Then comes D as in Dixie, Sir Barbaro. Also rushing up D as in Dixie. Rube Knight racing by the speed to reaches Formidable Ella unopposed. Sol Invictus and long way back to Una Mujer. And Live in Manila is running in 14th. Doña Nene from the outside, Sir Barbaro, Charlie's World, D as in Dixie, together with Remus and Dugo, Anak Papato, Rube Knight also coming into the picture. Rounding the far turn, Doña Nene by some two lines, Sir Barbaro, Remus from the outside, D as in Dixie, Rube Knight also rushing up, racing towards the last 400 and going to the long Santana stretch run with the outstanding favorite 10A Remus, this time by some two lengths now. Rube Knights now running in second. Sir Barbaro in the middle. Doña Nena Diaz in Dixie Primavera. Formidable and unopposed. And nearing the finish line. Better go down and collect for entry number 10A Remus. Diaz in Dixie, Rube Knight close. Doña Nene unopposed. Sir Barbaro and Formidable Ella.